Hey everyone, we've got some serious news today about a beloved figure in the world of gospel reggae. It's Cleveland Lang, better known to many of us as Lieutenant Stitchie. You might know him for his hit song, Where You Sighs, or just his incredible contribution to gospel reggae music. But unfortunately, he's facing a critical health crisis right now. Reports say that Lieutenant Stitchie has suffered a severe brain hemorrhage, and it's left him unresponsive in a long-term care facility. His family is really in need of support at this moment, and they've set up a GoFundMe campaign to help cover the costs of his medical care and rehabilitation. As of now, the campaign, which was created just this past Monday by Sophia Lang, has raised about $635 of its $100,000 goal. The family is pleading with everyone, saying, "Dear family, friends, and well-wishers, we are reaching out to you during this incredibly challenging time. Our beloved Cleve, Lieutenant Stitchie Lang, has suffered a severe brain hemorrhage, and we urgently need your help to provide the care he needs." They're emphasizing that every donation, no matter how small, can make a difference in bringing hope to Lieutenant Stitchie and his family during this very tough time. They also mentioned how thankful they are for the prayers and support they've received so far. Just to give you a bit more context, a brain hemorrhage is a life-threatening condition that involves bleeding between the brain tissue and the skull, or even inside the brain tissue itself. It's an extremely serious situation that requires extensive and immediate medical care. So, what do you think, everyone? Will you be joining the campaign to support Lieutenant Stitchie in his recovery journey? Have you ever experienced or known someone who has gone through something similar? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video to spread the word.